Okay, so where we're going to start with this one is because our exponential piece is all alone on one side, we can go ahead and raise both sides to the reciprocal power. So at 2/3, I'm going to flip and to a 3/2 and a 3/2. Now, something that's different with this one is that our denominator here is even and even. So because it's even, this is the equivalent of taking the square root of both sides. And this would also hold true for if it was a 4 or a 6. Basically, if it's an even power in the denominator, what's going to happen is a property comes through that we've used before. It comes through when we solve things like x squared equals 4. And we go through that process of, okay, take the square root of both sides, which is the same as raising both sides to a 1/2 power. And what always came through when we took that square root of both sides is plus or minus. It always ended up plus or minus of the evaluated root. So that's going to happen here too. So what we need to do is when we raise both sides to this reciprocal power, we need to double check that denominator. If it's odd, nothing to worry about. We just did like we did in all those previous examples. But with this one, because it's even, what I need is plus or minus. We're going to end up with 2 solutions here. And then that's 9 to the 3/2 equals x minus 12 with everything canceling out over there. Okay, so square root of 9 is 3. So this is a plus or minus 3 cubed. Equals x minus 12. So this is a plus or minus 27 equals x. I'm going to go ahead and add 12 to both sides. So this is 12 plus or minus 27. So we end up with 2 solutions here with the addition and the subtraction. So adding them together, we get 39. With the subtraction, we're going to get a negative 15. And what we would want to do is check these answers to make sure we didn't get any extraneous solutions. Especially with these ones where we get 2 solutions, we want to make sure that they both truly work. So we want to see if 9 is equal to, if we plug in 39, 39 minus 12 to the 2/3. So is 9 equal to 39 minus 12 be a 27 to the 2/3. Cube root of 27 is 3. And that's going to be squared. So 9 equals 9. Awesome. That one works. Then our next one, we're going to see is 9 equal to a negative 15 minus 12 to the 2/3. All right, so 9 is equal to maybe a negative 27 all to the 2/3. So my cube root there is going to be a negative 3. So after the cube root, let's go ahead and square it, and that'll give us a positive 9. So we're all good to go. So this one will end up with 2 solutions, and it's all coming from the fact that when we raised both sides to that exponent, the denominator was even. So when we take those even roots of both sides, we have to have that plus or minus symbol come in to get us to the 2 solutions instead of just 1 solution.